Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify product descriptions using AI automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Shopify product descriptions using AI automation, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the product section of your dashboard. Identify the products for which you want to restore descriptions. Open a new tab in your web browser and access an AI content generation tool. Sign up or log into the AI tool if you haven't done so already. Once inside the AI tool, locate the section for generating product descriptions. Input the necessary information related to your product, such as its name, features, and any relevant keywords. Select the appropriate tone and style that aligns with your brand's voice. Initiate the content generation process by clicking the Generate button or similar option. Review the AI-generated descriptions carefully. Make any necessary edits to ensure accuracy and relevance. Copy the finalized product description to your clipboard. Return to your Shopify product page. Paste the description into the corresponding product description field. Repeat the process for each product requiring a restored description. Once all descriptions are updated, preview your products to ensure they display correctly on the storefront. After confirming everything looks good, click the Save button for each product. Finally, check your online store to ensure the changes are live and functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.